For today's video, I'm going to make a birdhouse. This is my design. As you can see, birdhouse. So that's how it's going to look. This project is supposed to be easy. It's going to be made out of scraps. It's starting to rain. I have a lot of scraps, and throwing them away feels like wasting money. So I was thinking of making something out of my scraps that could either sell or be something useful. So I came up with bird houses. So I'm going to use this. I could probably make about 3 bird house. Let's start. First, I'm going to start to cut the frame. The frame is going to be this support around the corners of the design. So that's where this is going to stick around the whole bird house. I think this should be enough to make me something today. Let's try and make something today. We're going to give it a little sanding just to ease off some of the ends. Let's try and make some squares. One which is oak. Probably I can make 2 houses today. Let's start. First square. We need some sort of reinforcement. Finally made one. I didn't follow the dimensions I've set, but it turned out to be something like a real birdhouse. Wow, pwede dito. So lalagyan kong ilaw. Wow. Or somewhere dun sa taas ng puno na yun. Sa tuktok, nakaganon. Pwede, di ba? Or basta somewhere dito sa bahay, no? Pwede. So, gagawa pa ako mga dalawa, tatlo. Tingnan natin. But this is my first bird house. Hindi ko pa alam kung I want to keep the natural feel and look of this na parang laruan lang yung feeling, pero this is something very useful for birds. Lalo pa pinutol ko yung puno dun na nakakasira sa bubong namin. So I'm going to put it somewhere here in the house, around the house. Sana hindi yung abot ng pusa kasi may mga pusa ditong gala. Sana hindi yung abot nila. So really somewhere na mataas or pader, di ba? Okay, I'm going to try and make another design, and the more the merrier, I guess. I'll make a new design now. Start by cutting the wood to the right thickness.